Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you the ways to create or sign up for a blockchain.com wallet account. So to create a blockchain.com wallet account, you have to follow the steps. So first thing, you could either download an application or use a web browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So I'm going to use a web browser, so I'm going to type in blockchain.com. And when you are taken to the official page, click the link that appears right on top or on the first, and this is how it's gonna look like. So click on get started, and when you've actually pressed on it, you'll be taken to this field where you have to go and register with your email address. So type in the email address that you wish to register with, and moving on, you have to go ahead and create a password. Confirm the password, that means retype in, and provide the country of your resident, and if you have any referral code, you could enter that. So quickly enter in all of these information. When you're done, click the confirm button and it's gonna proceed you to the next field. As you can see that the verification email has been sent, so click the email that you've received. So this is actually the one, so click on yes, confirm this is my email address, and you'll be directed to the same page. Now click on continue to blockchain.com app, and then you could start installing the application, and that's basically how you can create your blockchain.com wallet account. So by following the steps, you'll completely create your account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.